how am I going to get him to do this? Come here, Jackson.
Come on.
Look at that.
Come on, son.
Can you show Mommy again how you rolled over? Come on. What else does he? Up here. Jackson. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Show Daddy. Show Daddy. Oh, come on. You can do it again.
Come on, son.
Oh, come on. You can do it. Come on. Oh, come on, buddy. Come on, Jackson. Come
Jackson,
on.
come on.
Oh, no, not the TV. Come on. Come on. You did it before. Let's go. You get your hand out of your mouth.